What is up, guys? This is BC Gaming here. How y'all doing today? I'm doing pretty good here. Today I'm gonna do a quick tutorial on how to make animations and images transparent on the editing software that I'm using, which is Sony Vegas Movie Studio Platinum 13. Now, with this specific software, it's not compatible for PNG files. I think I have to get like a plugin for that to work, but there's a way to get around it. When I had my animation made for the subscribe button. The guy was making it for me. Sent me a PNG, style transparent, and my editing software just gives a black picture, kind of like this right here. This is the PNG file, but it just comes up black background. So, what we do here, I went onto GIMP. I put that PNG file onto a green backing. So now what you do is you drag it down. I'll show you the black one first. Oh, but wait, guys, before I go any further, make sure you smash the like button. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell for future videos. Anyways, this is how it looks right here. And if I was to say, and it's all black and it looks like crap, because it's not sized right for this, for the editing, so it's just it don't look good. So what I did was I took the PNG file, put it onto a green back, just like that. Now, I'm gonna bring all of these down. I'll go over all of these. This is a subscribe button GIF, I'm pretty sure. Let's see. Yep, that's what that is. I found this one. Theme powered stopped working. Okay. Well, okay, well, 1 second. Alright, guys, apparently, this software does not like to use GIFs, so can't use that. But we're gonna continue here. Like I said, this one, it looks bad. It's all black. Oh, turn my volume down. This is just a random video I did, recently. I'm just doing this over. Anyways. I'm bringing all these down. Animation. Had some other ones. 1 sec. All right. I was able to find one file that was PNG and that actually works. Funny enough, I don't know why some work and some don't, but okay. Usually most of the time, any PNG file I bring in is black, like this right here. So, anyways, I'm gonna show you how to get rid of the backgrounds and so where it's transparent and it looks good. So we'll first try it with this one. Actually, we'll start with this one. Now this is for this specific software, but I think that these options are on a lot of editing softwares. Go right here, video effects. What you want to look for is chroma keyer, which is right here. You click and drag to the thing you want to do it on. This right here. We're gonna choose the color to chroma out, to whatever you call it, to black out, erase, yeah, like that. And now you hit play, and there you go, and it goes off. Yep. But if I was to do that with black here, this is where the problem lies. It cuts out the rest of the color of the actual image. So it's good to have that green background you can make on any editing software, really. I use that. I use GIMP to make that green for this right here. So now here, this is the animation I use for my videos. This one right here. So every time I do it, I just got a chroma keyer, bring it down, go to green, boom, done, and it looks good. Just like that. I have my audio down here. It's also good when you're doing these to put your animations and pictures on the text right here. Have your video here, audio, music, and like if you have another type of background music, which I'll probably have for this video, and then I'll go under that, just like that. And this over here, now here we can do this black and it'll work. Chroma keyer again, drag it, black, exit out, and boom. So make sure if you're making something that's going to be used like this for the green background or black, make sure you don't use the colors that you're going to want to black out. And for some reason, this gift subscribe button works. I don't know why. I find that kind of strange that actually works. Anyways, guys, that's it for this video. It's a quick little tip on little things. Let me know what y'all think about it. If you like this, make sure you smash the like button. Give me some more ideas for videos y'all want to see, basic how-tos on editing or making thumbnails or anything, really. And let me know what you think in the comments below. And y'all have an awesome day.